Welcome in the most premium institutional trading course. We are going to discuss all major elements to trade better and improve performance over time. This course includes technical analysis, price action trading, gaps, trading basics, multi-time frame analysis, chart patterns, indicators, trading psychology, and trading performance. All the methods and tricks discussed in the course are used by most professional traders and analysts of major financial institutions. There is only one best method to trade, which is price action. In this course we discussed major principles to trade better and make it consistent to gain profits. With practice and the correct mindset you will have the right results. In this course we discussed all methods to trade well and become profitable in less time. We cover 15 trading strategies in the course. All major type of chart pattern is discussed in the course, and we discuss the psychology behind chart trading. Head and shoulders, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, bullish flag, bearish flag, cup and handle, bullish pennant, bearish pennant, triangle pattern, broadening top, rectangle patterns. In the course you will see trends and trap trends, where most traders fail to identify the major trend reversals and trend starting. We discussed various indicators like VWAP, RSI, stochastics, MACD, ATR, Bollinger Bands, moving averages crossover, ADX, pivot points, Fibonacci retracements. In the section of trading methods we are going to discuss all famous and effective methods to trade better and get proper trading performance. We will discuss chart patterns, indicators, support and resistance, trends and trap trends, and many more. In trading performance we give you some of the major insights to improve your daily results. These covers various factors like trading journal, trading review, checklist building and many more things. In the session of trading psychology we discussed all important factors to trade better and make you a better version of yourself while trading. This course implement various habits and mindset to tackle the trading decision bias with self-mastery. Hope to see you in the course.